Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Very good evening. We continue with Hanumanji's singing of Hanumanji's glories under Hanumanji. We saw the most beautiful part about Hanuman and what we all want. Bhoot pisash nikat nahi aave, Mahavir jab naam sunave. It is all clear from our heart, our mind, all the anxiety, all the worry that we have. Actually, more than Bhoot Pishachi outside, it is this worry, this tension which is there within, which is the Bhoot and Pishachi, which doesn't allow us to remain in peace. So when we chant the Nama, Sri Hanuman, what happens? We get an inner strength. This faith in Hanumana is important. Faith in Hanumana, and when we know about him, his valor, his strength, his wisdom. See, only when you are familiar with some person, will you come to love that person, be devoted to that person. Only after that will the faith also come. In these gods, we say keep faith, but who is God and how is he? What does he do? If he were in similar situations, and why have they shown as though there is a story woven, they have also gone through all of this. This is just as a leela for them, so that every other person, it's motivated, inspired. And once we hear about Hanumana's qualities, it will work only when we have faith and we are ready to imbibe those qualities and actually walk the path. You can't simply keep quiet and sit down in one place saying Hanumana will take care. Then and that's, if we have that kind of surrender, then under no circumstances can we worry about anything, can we complain about anything. Without all that, if you can just sit saying Hanumana will take care, then that's a fantastic kind of surrender. Let me tell you that surrender is very difficult. That surrender we have seen in Meera, in Prahlad. When given poison to drink, Meera says she is only thinking about Krishna. Krishna onto you. You only give me everything and it's anyway going to you. She drank the poison and that turned into nectar. Okay. So when somebody is giving you poison, are you going to take it in the name of Krishna, your beloved? Can you live in that kind of surrender? Prahlad lived in that kind of surrender. When he was thrown in the fire, whatever that was done to him, he simply accepted, for he was in the chant, in the remembrance of his beloved Narayana. Changed if we have this kind of faith and surrender onto our Lord. Definitely, when we think of Hanumana, bhut pisach nikat nahi aave, they cannot come. नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत पीरा. नासे रोग, even mental afflictions, any kind of rog, rog comes to whom? One who is a great bhogi, slowly turns into a rogi. Bhogi is that one who is going on consuming through the senses, and through the mind constantly, without offering, without dedicating it to the Lord, to the higher. Because I want to consume. Such is a bhogi. But if constantly you are attached to the higher, okay, then you are open to that message from the higher also. When the conscience pricks you and tells you, hey, I don't think you're going in the right direction. And if you're willing to hear that, then you are no longer a bhogi if you act accordingly. So keeping Hanumana in mind, when you engage in this world, all physical afflictions, mental afflictions leave you, they don't touch you in fact. Such should be your Shraddha in Hanumana. And when you begin to express through the body, through the mind this way, that you are connected, that you are devoted to Hanumana, then you will see none of this can touch you. Nase rog hare sab pida. All your pain, all your suffering is going to go. If you say, no, I am a great devotee, but you don't know, always sick, always, then you must go back within yourself. When have you not, or you have not paid attention to Hanumana within, or when have you gone off track? First of all, are you ready to give up that sickness? Whatever it is that is making you sick, check. You will see that you are attached to that more than you are attached to Hanumana. Therefore, then Hanumana lets you do that. Because he doesn't want to come in between and say, listen, you should give up this. He says, if you like it, you keep, but you have to pay. There will be consequences for it. This is your karma phala. So when the faith is complete, surrender is there, when you begin to attach more and more to Hanumana, certain old patterns of thinking, patterns of being will change, and one must allow that to happen. You must learn to let go of those old patterns. You can't be with that old pattern of living and then say, now I am attached to Hanumana. You can't continue. So, nase rog sab pira, japat nirantar Hanumat Veera. So constant japat nirantar. Not that morning 5 minutes, I quit. Taking a bath, I quickly, and then I have done my duty. So now whole day Hanumana should take care of me. It can't happen that way. Japat nirantar Hanumat Veera. You have to be able to absorb Hanumana at every level of your being. And see, you will see the corrections happening. It is not yada kada, but that, just as how Hanuman himself chants the name of Bhagwan Ram. So much so that in his aura, you go close to Hanumana, you will hear Ram, 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 Ram. You will hear. Just as you know, Janabai, whenever she was doing Japan, was there constantly in the mind and in the speech. Vithala, Vithala, Vithala. She was a housemaid. She would make these cow dung cakes. It is said that even after her samadhi, she left the body. All those cow dung cakes which she had clustered on the wall, it seemed like each of that cow dung cake, one could hear the sound, Vithala, 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 Vithala. So how is this happening? It carries forth. That is why one must be very careful what you say. It remains in space. Usually when we are cut, we are most anxious and forget God's name. We don't even think of the right thing to be done that time. And we are blaming somebody or the other for the situation. We always face some challenges, we are blaming somebody. Because of that person only I am suffering. Hanumana. When at a time of challenge, how will you think Hanumana if you have not thought about him otherwise, isn't it? If you regularly practice, that's what I say. When they're in defense forces, they are, actively training themselves. Not a day goes. They never take any day casual. Every day is as though it is wartime. Some case like this situation. So there is this challenge which has come up. You will know how to connect with Hanumana only if you have practiced it before. And also understand, Mana Krama Bhajan, Dhyana Jo Lave. Okay. Now it is that one has to think of him Mana. In acting also through the body, you have to act as though you are offering this action to him.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुखर सुधारी बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन भरन विराज सुवेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा बिकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम मिलाए राजपद दीना, तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना, जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु, प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माहि, जल दिलांगी गए अचरज नाहि, दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते, राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे, सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना, आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपे, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे, नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे, चारों जुग पर ताप तुम्हारा, है पर सिद्ध जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे, अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई, और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलबीरा, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई, जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साकी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय मह डेरा, पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसौ सुरभूप, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय।